Hi, and welcome to the course. I'm so glad to have you join the ranks of successful guitar players that got their start the very same way you're about to. My name is Kurt, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I've played guitar for 13 years and still love it to this day. Over this time, I've taught hundreds of students and played in front of thousands of people. I still play guitar daily and love seeing new students appreciate the beauty of guitar and music in general. Fingerstyle guitar specifically is an absolutely beautiful style of guitar. My goal for this course is to get you hooked on the guitar and comfortable playing fingerstyle songs. You'll come to this course confident in your ability to play guitar. I also want to mention right now, if you've ever got any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to message me. I love getting responses from students because it makes online teaching much more personal than it usually is. Okay, enough talk already, let's get to learning.